Hi there, this is Cal Egan, and I am just saying thank you very much for awarding me Sustainability Champion. Fantastic, really chuffed. It's been a great year working with ENTSA, which is not an easy thing to say in lockdown, that it's been a great year, but it has been. It's been a great collaboration. Ankit Dougal, the president, has been fantastic. Energetic and enthusiastic for the Lions Gate, and Eloisa and Joe with the hedgehog friendly campus, and then everybody in the office, Dee and Helen and Alistair, especially with regards to the Community Climate Access Fund success that we had. So all in all, fantastic. What a great bunch of people, and I hope it's just the start of something that's going to go on for a very long time and help us turn Napier into a regenerative university. Thank you very much.